Divide rupees 1530 into 3 shares proportional to the numbers 2, 3, and 4. So given ratio is equal to 2:3:4. So sum of the ratio of the terms 2 plus 3 plus 4, that equals to 9. So now we will find first share. First share means first part 2 by 9 into how much amount? 1530. So 9 table lo 9 1s are 9, 6 3 ante 9 7s are. So that equals to 340. So second share 3 by 9 into 1530. So 170, 5, 10. Now third share is 4 by 9 into 1530. 170, 6, 8.